I'm Jerry Reynolds, the Car Pro, with another edition of the Automotive News in 2 minutes. You're going to see fewer cars, fewer colors, and fewer incentives at the car lot soon. We're just now realizing the full effect of the earthquake in Japan and how it's going to affect car buyers. Damaged plants and rolling blackouts in Japan mean hundreds of thousands of Hondas, Toyotas, Nissans, and Subarus will never make it to dealerships. And a shortage of parts in Japan will affect car makers worldwide. Even the shiny pigment used in many black and red paints is made by a company that was damaged in the quake. With less to choose from, dealers won't have to offer the big incentives to move what's left, especially on the economy models. In fact, we just got word that Toyota is planning to raise prices on most of its models in May by several $100s. Now, when it comes to economical cars, you don't need to sacrifice luxury to get good gas mileage. I've been test driving this new BMW 528 this week. In the past, it's been known more as a bridge car between the 3 and the 7 Series Beamer, but this 6th generation car now has an identity all its own. It's a big, beautiful 258 horsepower car, and get this, it will still get you an amazing 32 miles to the gallon. The secret's in the silky smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. It'll cost you $51,000 at the dealership, but it sure won't drain you at the gas pump. Now, I think luxury car makers are really starting to get it. For perspective, the little Nissan Versa gets the same 32 miles to the gallon as this car does. The Audi A6, which is about the same size as this 528, it's getting 30 miles to the gallon. The Porsche Panamera is getting 27. Even the Mercedes E350 will get you 26 miles to the gallon. So I can see a luxurious drive into the not-so-distant future at 40 miles per gallon in a beautiful car like this. Catch me on the radio Saturdays in Houston, San Antonio, Austin, Los Angeles, Sacramento, Lubbock, and Dallas-Fort Worth. Check the website, carproshow.com, for show times and details. I'm Jerry the Car Pro. Have a great week.